a video that I've never done before, which is a video of me using the products I got in my Boxycharm. So I'm using my November box because I haven't got my December box yet. And yeah, but now you can order the December boxes. They're out. So essentially Boxycharm is this monthly subscription service, and if you do the Boxy Luck, you can get 4 like bigger boxes, but it's like $40 a month. So I do the smaller one, which is $21 a month one, and you get makeup products, face products, hair products, and it's like a $21 box, but you do like $150 worth of product, and they're full-size products, may I just say. So the products I got in this Boxycharm were the glitter like Luxie brushes, and then a makeup like brush cleaner, which I'll show you how to use in the video, and then I have the Ace Beauty that palette, and this eyeliner, which I completely forgot he had, so I just threw it in the video. I'm using it because I flipped out, forgot about it, and then the Cover FX glitter drops. So there are some other like palettes I use in this video, not just the Boxycharm stuff, obviously because of face products. But yeah, so let's just get on with the video. And I'll link to my referral code in the description box below in case you want to buy a Boxycharm. So for primer today, I'll be using the Blacklight Priming Filter by Becca Cosmetics. For my foundation today, I'll be using the Glam Rainforest by the Sea water foundation, and my shade is in Fairness. Prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Inspiration. So then I'm going to use the Ace Beauty's Grand Donies palette. I hope I said that right. I'm probably not saying that. But I got this in my November Boxycharm, and I'll link my referral link in the description box. So if you want to order a Boxycharm, you can do that. So then this is the palette on the outside, and this is the inside of the palette. So the first color I'm really going to go into is this like patchouli thing, and I have my Tarte like blending brush, and I'm going to go in with it and use this as like a transition shade, or as like the base shade. Alright, so then with my Crown eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go to the shade Cinnamon, and sorry, the mirror's right there, and go in as a transition shade. So then I can just quickly grab my Tarte Lit Toasted palette, and I'm going to dip in with this brush I got in my October Boxycharm, and I'm going to go into the shade Cozy, and I'm going to like kind of deepen the crease a bit. Back into the Ace palette with my Luxie 121 mini taper brush that I got in my Boxycharm. It looks like this. And I'm going to go in with the shade Myrtle, but before I do that, I'm going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. And then once that's all sprayed, I'm going to dip right into the palette and add me some glitter. So now I'm going to take my Luxie 111 mini flat angle brush and go back into this palette again and use the shade Jasmine, which is a sparkly shimmery shade, and do all the highlighting. Or most of the highlighting I can do. So now I'm using the same Luxie brush set, which is the 131 Luxie tape mini angled brush. I'm going to do that with that same shade again, and I'm going to go inside my eye of Jasmine. And then for right now, that is it for eyes, because I got to conceal with the rest of my face before I can do the rest of it. So for concealer today, I'm going to use my Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Alright, so the next step is to bake, and I'm just going to use my Fit Me and this beauty sponge. Alright, so while that is baking, I'm going to start the contour process. So I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick, and this stick is all. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Tarte Mermaid brush, big fluffy one, to remove all the powder off my face. So now I'm going to use my Luxie 141 mini round brush because it's small, and I hope this works, to smoke out my lower lash line with the shade Myrtle. Alright, before I completely finish off my eyes, I'm going to use the Tarte Busy Gal Brow Gel to do my brows. And my shade is Taupe. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this side of my Referal eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing, so yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to curl my lashes with the Tarte Eyelash Curler and use my Too Faced Bad and Sex Mascara as well as my Superhero Mascara. Alright, and I almost forgot to completely smoke out my lower lash line with this glitter, which looks like this glitter eyeliner pencil that I got in my Boxycharm. And yeah, that's it for the look. So now I'm going to take my makeup brush cleanser that I got in Boxycharm by Body Graphy Pro. I hope I said that right. And I'm going to spray this brush and then use a towel to wipe it off, so it cleans all the glitter off of it. So as you see, I have my towel now here. And I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to rub it on this towel. As you see, it's showing up the white one. And just get as much makeup off as I can for my next round using it. And as you see, it really works. And I guess I can do it with this one too. So I get it really well. And then rub it all up until I can see where there's no. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to hit the link to order Boxycharm and be referred by me, you can hit the link in the description box below, and I'll try to link at least the products I use in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Give it up for the kids. Eating good.